Hello there. It's still very wet out there for most of us following all the rain that we've had over the past few weeks. For the next few days at least, things are looking drier and we're going to find temperatures rising as well. Now there are still some weather systems on the scene at the moment. This low pressure brought some cloudy wet weather on Wednesday. The next weather system coming in from the Atlantic, that will bring some rain. Should have cleared away from Scotland and Northern Ireland by Thursday morning. This patchy, mostly light rain and drizzle heads towards the southeast, where it may well linger well into the afternoon. But otherwise, some sunshine follows the cloud and patchy rain. Showers in Scotland and Northern Ireland, mainly in northern Scotland, where it's still going to be quite blustery on Thursday. But if anything, temperatures are going to be a degree or two higher than they were on Wednesday, and it'll feel pleasant when the sun is out. One weather system clears out of the way. The next one comes in from the Atlantic. This one is going to be focused more on the northwest of the UK. It'll bring more cloud towards Northern Ireland, increasingly in Scotland, and in the northwest of Scotland, this is where we'll see some patchy rain. Otherwise, it should be dry, and as you can see, there's more sunshine across England and Wales, where the winds are going to be light. Still got temperatures about 7 or 8 degrees in eastern parts of England, but further west it is much milder. And this is the mild Atlantic air that's going to be heading our way and heading right the way across the UK during later Friday and in time for the weekend. That milder, windier weather coming to the south of this weather front here, which is staying more to the north of the UK. Still could bring some thicker cloud, maybe a bit of rain in the far north of Scotland. Otherwise, it looks like it's going to be dry. There'll be a lot of cloud around and not as much sunshine on Saturday for England and Wales by this stage. But it is going to be mild air, temperatures widely 12 or 13 degrees to start the weekend. And we're still in that mild air for the beginning of Sunday. There is that weather front in the north though, and it may start to slide a bit further south. Now there's still uncertainty about that. At the moment, most of the rain on Sunday morning is going to be across Scotland. If that weather front does move into England or Wales, there may not be too much rain. We may start to see some sunshine following across Scotland and Northern Ireland in the afternoon, and temperatures here may dip a little bit, but otherwise we're looking at 11 or 12 degrees. There are multiple weather fronts out in the Atlantic, and we continue to see some pulses of rain running along them. And the next one is going to come back in from the west, from the southwest, to bring thicker cloud, bring some rain across the Irish Sea into Northern Ireland and particularly western Scotland. Some rain may move eastwards, but not much rain. But as you can see, there's still a lot of cloud. We've still got the winds from the south or southwest, so it's mild air again on Monday, and temperatures about 12 degrees. Now this is the weather pattern that we've got for the start of next week. That's the jet stream. It's to the north of the UK, which means we're in this mild air. Move things to the end of next week and the jet is much further south, and that allows colder air to move down from the north. Now if we look at the pressure pattern, the rain and the snow, this is how it looks as we head further into next week. There are still weather fronts for a time in the north, keeping us in the milder air and windy weather as well. And then as the weather front moves down across the UK, there's a push of colder air, stronger winds and some wintry showers with some snow, particularly in Scotland.